G'day, Adam Phillips here, Masterton Foot Clinic. I just want to give you a little bit of an understanding of the ankle brace or the EXO-UP brace that we use to help people. Probably the best way to do that is to explain a little story I have of a patient who I'll call Mike, who presented to my clinic complaining of instability. It was a confidence issue for him. His ability to balance or maintain his confidence when walking is severely limited. So the way that he presented to me was, or the complaint that he was making was that he would have to watch for every step, literally looking out for the smallest stone, that could potentially cause the greatest injury. Other comment he made was that he just doesn't go out at night now. He just doesn't risk walking at night time, and the reason for that is that he just can't trust the places that he will be placing his feet will be stable, or that he'll be able to adapt to that situation. His perception of it was that he was beyond help, that his condition was something that was going to potentially get worse, and that he'd tried everything. He'd used bulky AFOs or ankle foot orthotics that have been moulded for his legs that would go up the back of his legs. He'd have to use with a boot in order to stabilise, and I think he just sort of accepted that this was his lot. So he came in to see me briefly. We spent a bit of time looking at doing some neurological testing and balance tests, and we attempted to, we've got a set of sample braces that we use, and I placed that on his ankle with a shoe, a mock shoe, and got him to do some walking, and you're seeing how much of improvement he made. Without this particular setup, he was obviously facing the prospect of a summer with using these existing ankle braces that he has, having to wear a boot, and obviously that comes with the heat that summer produces as well. So now we've got Mike presenting to me a tremendous amount more confidence. As a clinician, I can't tell you how much joy that brings, but certainly for him, that's how he portrays it to me. He just feels much more confident. One of the comments he made to me was that it's like wearing a boot now without wearing a boot. So that's really cool. The way that this bracing mechanism is set up is that it just goes behind the ankle. So it takes up a lot less room and attaches to the shoe. So he's able to walk a lot more freely and a lot more safely. So if you or someone you know has an issue like this, I do encourage you to click on the link and let us know and get in touch. We'd love to meet you, even if it's just have a conversation over the phone and discuss what we could do to help you. Either way, thanks for watching, and we'll hopefully talk to you soon.